Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Slope fields look intimidating, but we can solve for the constant k quickly by finding where the derivative equals 0. Let's crush this problem together. Start by looking at the differential equation, which is dy dx equals ky minus 2i squared. We can factor out a y to see the structure more clearly now. Equilibrium solutions happen whenever the derivative is 0. This means the slope field will show horizontal segments at specific y values. Let's find those points on the graph to solve it. The graph shows horizontal segments at y equals 4. Plugging 4 into the factored equation gives k equals 8. Option D is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given values to avoid rushing. Great job!